Okay guys, welcome back to another episode. I am super stoked about today's episode because my favorite towel company, AUTOFIBER, teamed up with Shine Supply to create the perfect towels and blocks to wash your vehicle. So if you care about your vehicle and you worry about scratching it, this item we're gonna put to the test and see if it does anything. So the AUTOFIBERs that you're gonna wash with, they're flat out. Those are for the top part. And then we got the block party, which is made for the block, the bottom rockers of your truck. So we're gonna be doing a 2-bucket method with our favorite AMERICANA soap that we only use. And that's pretty much it with that. Okay, so now before we go out there to do an ultimate test, I wanna show you what the paint looks like. This truck is brand new. It is dirty, so it's a perfect test. So it doesn't have any scratches or anything. So as you can see, the paint doesn't have any flaws to it. It's no swirls. If we continue to come down, just a little dirty. So, now that you see that, we're gonna go out there and wash it, which I'm gonna show you how to do it with these new wash mitts. So stay tuned. All right guys, now we're outside. Now it's time to wash. So we're gonna take our flat out pads. We're gonna use the 2-bucket method, so we have the wash and we have the rinse. This is gonna be the dirty water and this is gonna be the clean water. And what I'm gonna do, so it's cool, so you get 4 in each pack, which really I think you only need like 2 for each vehicle, because you can flip, so you get 1 dirt on one side and you can flip it quarter way through. So we're gonna throw these all in the clean pad, let them soak. Not clean pad, clean bucket. And we're gonna let them soak. We're gonna grab our block parties for the bottom and we're gonna let them sit in there as well. So that's step 1 when you're using this pad system when washing your vehicle. So now we're gonna foam the vehicle up. We're not gonna pre-soak. We're just gonna go to a normal foam wash, and then we'll meet you when we start using these pads. Okay, now it's time to wash. It's been foamed up, so I want to take out one of the flat out pads, and I'm only going to use this on the sides. I'm not going to use the bottom, because that's what the block party is for. So I'm going to use it for the sides and the roof and the hood. And when I get quarter way through the vehicle, I'll flip over and use the other side, because you'll have dirt on this side, or I'll just change out pads. I'm gonna go real gently. I'm not putting a lot of pressure, I'm just letting the pad do its work. And then I can just go ahead and flip it over to the gray side. Check it out. So that's all the dirt that just accumulated on one side, so that's time to flip over. So now I have a clean side to do the top of the hood. So I'm going to continue this method to go the rest of the vehicle, but since this one's a little dirty, I'm going to throw this one in the dirty. And just to show you real quick, this is how the block party is. So what's cool is they're big enough to go right here at the bottom of the block. And I always go side to side. And like I said, I'm not going super hard, just letting the pad do its thing. And then now it's time to flip it. See, look at all that dirt that just accumulated on one side. So how swirls happen is from people taking this and then going up here. So you got all that dirt right here and then you continue to wash up here. So far, I like these pads because you can flip it when one side gets dirty. Now on the back sides get really dirty as well. So for this part, I'm gonna flip the flat out to the other side where I'm not taking that dirt from this section to this section. And I'm gonna say the bumper for the block party. Okay guys, we have finished washing. We did the drying. We did all the washing just like the instructions say. So now it's time to see if it didn't scratch the surface. Well, doesn't look like any scratches. So this new method of washing might have been a game changer. So nothing at all in that panel in our test piece that we did. Same side that we did. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. I don't know about you. The detailing industry is always changing. New technology, the ways that we wash, always changing. But anyways, if you like the towels, you like this video, I'm gonna leave the description where to buy the product at in the description below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm Ryan with JR Express Detailing, protecting the world one coating at a time. So what else is going on in this shop? You've probably seen in other videos, like a Mustang that's looks like it's broken apart, but it's really not. My brother-in-law is restoring his 68 Mustang that he had back in high school. But anyway, so I think it'd be cool to show periodically what he's doing in each video. So right now, this is Aaron. He's my brother-in-law. So he's gonna tell you a little bit what he's working on right now.
Like Ryan said, this is my first car that I bought in high school, 68 Mustang Coupe. Right now I've cleaned out the engine compartment. I'm working on getting it ready for the new 351 Cleveland that I have built for it. I've recently replaced all the front suspension and working on getting the brakes put back on. I've converted it from drum to disc brakes. As you can see on the side, it has pretty new disc. So next steps will be get the wheels back on, start getting it ready to replace the wiring harness on the vehicle, and then I can put the motor back in. And then maybe one day I'll get to drive it again.
So
that's that.
So what, a 1-2 year plan?
It's been like a 20-year plan, but I'm working on it.
He's making progress, guys. But anyways, I think it's really cool what he's doing. So every once in a while we might throw in a little update. If he happens to make headway on this, he's really in no rush. I think it's pretty cool, pretty proud of him. So every once in a while, like I said, I'll throw a little video in. So Aaron, appreciate you giving us a little update. So stay tuned for the Mustang build.